Hello and welcome. My name is Keegan. I'm going to be sharing with you this 5-minute meditation. It's a cloudy day here, and oftentimes we wake up and we just don't feel like moving. We feel like life is this big cloudy sky above us. So this meditation is for you if you're feeling like life has been really cloudy or you just can't see through the fog. So find yourself in a comfortable seat just like I am, or sit in a chair or lying on the ground. It's up to you. Bring your hands onto your thighs. Let your eyes rest closed and take a deep breath in through the nose. And then exhale, let it all go. Stay long through the spine if you're seated. Really draw the breath in and draw the breath out. Relax the muscles in the face. Bring one hand to your heart, right at your chest, and just breathe into your hand here. When these cloudy skies come into our life, we can often feel ungrounded, uncentered, lost. So meditation and this practice of breathing is allowing ourselves to recenter, regroup, reground into the breath and the body. Breathe into the hand nice and fully here. With each exhale, feel the clouds in your mind just start to dissipate. And if thoughts come through, just like clouds in the sky, they pass away with the breath. Take a few more breaths here, just breathing into the hand, feeling the weight of the hand on the chest, grounding you, allowing you to connect to your center. Staying inward, focusing on the inhale and the exhale. One more breath as you breathe in and breathe out. Slowly let the hand rest back onto the thigh or wherever feels most comfortable. Staying here with the breath. As you breathe in, say I am, and as you breathe out, peace. Breathe in, I am. Breathe out, peace. Breathe in, I am. Breathe out, peace. Breathe in, I am. Add whatever comes to mind for you, whatever intention or affirmation feels right for you in this moment. Breathing in, I am. Exhaling out your intention. Staying with the breath, breathing in and breathing out. Start to let go of that I am statement. And just be with yourself right here, right now. Notice what you notice. Feel any spaciousness or contraction in the body. Feel the sensations on your skin, sounds around you. Notice the qualities of the mind. Breathe into any space that is still feeling stagnant, stuck, or like the cloudy skies that you sometimes wake up to. Slowly begin to open your eyes, bring your awareness around your space. And that closes our session for this brief meditation. May your cloudy skies be clear. May you move through with ease and peace. May you be well.